Namaste friends, good morning everybody. Today our tutorial is teach di- different kinds of what is between difference between acupressure and acupuncture. Acupuncture and acupressure are different. These are theory and practicals are very different. Acupressure is an pressing points. Acupuncture is an using needles to different points, which is the facing problems the patient, the points identified, and then the needles apply. In the acupressure therapy, we are using only finger. The fingers use and press the point. If in case some people are suffering with one problem, like that back pain, example. In this area, have to pressure in here. Some points is there. That points rectify the back pain. That is called acupressure system. This acupuncture system is applied for some needles, and that needles put it in a some particular point. That point will reflect, say that point will clear the back pain due to the pressuring the apply the needles. That is the two difference acupressure and acupuncture. This, there are many people are who carry the misconception that that these two therapies are completely different from each other. These therapies are very different. As a matter of fact, both are the different except in the mode of application. Both are the based on the philosophy, one law, one theory, and same location of points. But in made application, they differ from each other. In acupressure, the practitioner practice needles into the point, whereas the acupressure the practitioner just apply for the fingers pressure on that same point. Both the produce same therapeutic result, but the same, but at the time acupuncture may tend to produce certain reactions. That reactions also reduce the problem of the patient. Classifications for acupressure. Acupressure classification into five types. One is the reflect the figure like that. Suppose hands. This the hands shows in a 39 acupressure points. That acupressure points, particular points, it will give the reflector theory. There are 39 points represent 39 organs. We have an organs in our inner body that these points will pressure points reduce our health problems through our acupressure points reduce our health problems and rectify and perfect health will develop in our immunity system. It in the palm of the and the souls also. 39 these 39 points also souls also. Meridianology points there are 12 pair bilateral and 8 extra meridian points distributed all over the body. Around 400 points are situated on the pathway of these meridian regions. Our body have meridian regions. Entire body have meridian regions. These regions have some points. That points we have approximately 400 points is there. That points will reduce our health problems. The third one is the head region. This is the scalp region. Also some points are there. That points will reduce our health problems and rectify our health and purify our health, and then we will healthy our lives. Then aerosol theory of the problems. Some of the points in here and enter the some of the points in ear region, that is called fourth. Next is the feet, sole of the feet region. This is also an important reason for curing our disorders with a Reflex clauses are the pressure points in acupressure theory. This is a very important theory for curing the diseases without medicine, without any side effects, without any problem. We cure our diseases through our acupressure theory system, apply the pressure points, and then cure our ailments through acupressure therapy. Thank you, my friends.